Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 on how to blender build a car. So in this tutorial, we will be making the hood, possibly the fender or bumper, and most likely probably the grill area, but I'm not 100% sure, so we'll see. So first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna add in a plane. So go to top view and shift A, or just get it from here, whatever. So, and then what you need to do, so you have to go to edit mode, which is tabs. Press tab, then from extended tube, go to the world mode or whatever it's called. So now you're like this. So make sure everything's selected. Do Alt and M. Then press Alt at center. Then move it to so as you can see, my thing is skipping around a bit, not going smoothly. It's locking, which could sometimes happen. So what you want to do is click the magnetic button. Like I don't know the hotkey for it, but sometimes happens. If it does happen, just click this and it'll go away. Now it moves all smoothly. Move it over to the front of the hood and line it up with the front. There. So now go to top view and extend it all the way to the back. What happened? Okay. So extend it all the way to there. This yellow stuff right here, I think it's for the window thing, so just ignore that. Just depends how good your blueprint is. Then go to side view, make it line up with the hood. And there, so now we kinda have a simple line for the hood. So now add like 3 or 4 loop cuts or 5. I'm gonna add 4, no 5 in my case. So what you wanna do, just line the hood up, everything. And you can add additional loop cuts to make everything good, I guess. So I must add one more loop cut here, make it round. And probably right here I'm gonna add one loop cut here, make it like a bit how it is in real life. And also make sure to have reference pictures. So I have some pretty good ones here. So after we do that, go to top view, then so do Alt, so hold Alt and right click on it, and then you can hold the whole line. Then just Shift B, then just left click and move it over to the right, and just line it up again, like how I said before. So do this. Get this lined up. Get this. Just that's all lined up. Then go to side view, make sure everything is good. Front view also works. So as you can see, it's a bit crooked, like not that well. Bring it down. Make sure it's all lined up and straight, how it's supposed to be. Actually, honestly, I might just remove this thing because we're not necessary, but I'm just gonna keep it, it's fine. So then it's also lined up here. And then okay, so what you have to do, you have two modifiers, add modifier, and turn on mirror. And then it mirrors it on, so you don't have to do whatever you want on the other side. So now we're going to check reference picture, see how the winds are. Okay, that's enough from all. Phone looks stock, so this looks like we could probably just go around this, or we could knife cut it. I'm not sure, so we'll find out once we fill it all in. Then you want to do the same thing. Do Alt D. No, I mean not Alt D. It's a mouse, and I'm looking it up. Okay, so do Alt, right click on the line, Shift D, move it around to the line, next line. So yes, like your car might not be the best right now, but the more and more you practice in Blender build, you'll get more better. Because my car was not the best. It was actually really bad. I made a BMW Z4. That's my first car, the 2019 one, and it was pretty bad. Do this, do this. So just press F. It's circular. Just do that, and then do the same thing here. Add like 2 or 3 loop. I'm just gonna 2 because I don't think 3 is really necessary. Make it round. Go to front view. Make it all lined up. Wait a second. Yes, good. And do the same thing at the front. So make sure you also put 2 loop cuts in the front, or how many ever you put. So it will help maintain good topo. Can't say it properly. There, so we got some of our hood done now. And now we do the same thing. Now if you do, since it's all connected, it's going to do that. What you can do, you can select one, then hold control and click on the last one and do all the way down. Sometimes you might just do this. What you want to do is hold shift, like 2 of these, and then do control, press the last one, and then it should work. So then now just do the same thing. Shift D, take it out, then line it up again. Go to side view again once we line this up in the top to make sure where it's supposed to be. So like as your first car, I want to do a block green one because it'd be a bit more easier. Like probably like like an old Volvo or old BMW. Those are kind of good because like any boxy car, I guess. But I made a mistake to doing my first car as a Z4 because it wasn't that boxy and mostly round. And also it might not completely go, so just extend it out like this. Then do the same thing by lining it up. Just this side view is probably the best. And we also have to line this one up to those lines, which we'll do after this. And also can they improve the the video quality. I'm not sure if it's working right now. I just hope it works because yeah. Extend this out. So like when you're building cars, what I sometimes see is that like everybody that it is like I'll show an example after I do this. What some people do is when they fill it, like they just hold this whole thing and press F. Do not do it. That messes up topology and does some random stuff. So what you want to do is Okay, let's make this round first. Put 2 loop cuts there again. It's good enough for me. So do the same thing in the front, 2 loop cuts. I don't think you really need to do anything here, but yeah. Move this down. Okay, so now we kind of have our hood done. Let me check. Yeah, we have a hood done. So now what you want to do, you can do C and hold all of this part right here. Dang it. Okay. So what you can do grid fill, which is Control F, and then grid fill should be somewhere here. Yeah, click that, and then it will come out like this. And then after you do that, you can do grid for this too, or you can do something else. So what you can do, first hold forward to see press F, and then stop holding the back ones. So you're holding the front ones, and just press F. It goes forward like that. And then right here again, I'm gonna do grid fill. Control F, grid fill. Oh no, don't do that. I'm getting messed up. So if that doesn't work, what I usually like doing, I deleted two things right here, and then I hold two of them and do the same thing as I did before, and I have that, and then I add 2 loop cuts, and then I kind of bring them back, and that does that. Line it up. Come on. Okay, my mouse is not acting really good for some reason, so just bear with me, please. And then I don't know why it looks like that, but just fix it a bit. There. And now what you want to do, you're going to want to press, so go to Tool and click Smooth. And now you can lose all your balance and everything, so what you want to do, you want to click Add Modifier, press Edge Split. It's still going to look the same, so what you want to do, go to Edit Mode, then do Alt right click and hold the line that you want to pop out. Then go to Shading / UE, click Sharp. Then you have it for that line over there. Same thing with this line, Sharp. And then the hood looks more realistic and pops out more like that. So about hood wins. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add loop cuts around it to make it like this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put faces. This thing, don't click vertices, it's gonna just delete all that. So do faces, and it's gonna look like this, and I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I'll do something later in the next tutorial. So how much time has it been? Think about it. Been 14 minutes. So yeah, for this tutorial, I'll just leave it with the hood, and next tutorial I'll do the fenders or the bumper. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to come back for the next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.